What's up, guys? I'm gonna do a video about the Apple EarPods. I think I have the version 2. So let's kind of get into it and let's talk about it. So initially, I was looking online and I found some other kind of similar ones that are off-brand from Amazon. So it wasn't like posing as Apple, but they looked kind of similar design. So I bought those first, and as you can see here, they are almost identical. You know, it's almost a one-to-one comparison, except the quality. It does light up. I don't know. Some of the design I like a little bit better. It's almost identical to the Apple EarPods, but slightly different. And the quality of the actual case is not as good. There's like not a magnetic catch, but you can definitely see the charging lights indicating, um, which I still don't understand which, because there's like a blue and a red. I don't know which color is charging or not. But anyway, long story short, I used these for about maybe a week or two, and I initially the first week they were okay. uh, they're not so loud, okay, so you can't really hear, like there's like a lot of background. You can hear the background and it's too low. um, and sometimes I think I had another version before that was similar, and they wouldn't sync, so either one or the other would work. But these ones, they did work together. So, you know, okay. So anyway, I just got kind of tired of them because they weren't really working properly and they weren't loud enough. And then I decided to go back to this regular wired earphones. But um, if you turn to the side or something, it's gonna catch the wire and it's gonna fall out of your ear. Sometimes they just fall on the ground, and it's really not sanitary, especially now in this situation. Um, so I had a lot of trouble in that perspective with wired and kind of aftermarket Apple EarPods, or I mean, I'm sorry, USB, um, wireless, you know, headphones, right? Now, this difference is this has like a button here. That would be like the pairing button. So they have a button, but they look almost the same. And I'm gonna compare them later in the video so you guys can watch, but just take a look. It has the middle bottom, but it doesn't appear to have like a speaker here. I think the speaker is right here. It's like another hole up there. Anyway, so I tried those, and they were horrible, unfortunately. So what did I do? Well, I decided to actually buy the real Apple EarPods after waiting 1 or 2 years. And actually, I thought of the design before Apple even made it. I'm like, why don't they just freaking make them wireless? You know what I'm saying? Because like, wireless was really taking off, and finally Apple caught up. And then, so I ended up actually getting the real ones, which is this one, right? So I'm gonna talk about the Apple EarPods, and let me see if this is generation 1 or 2. Doesn't say, but it's probably the second one because these are recent. And I got the ones with it is a charging case, but not a wireless charging case. Okay. So about the wireless earpods, okay? So we're gonna talk about those now. So as you can see, I got a case for it, but the design, is really good. Way better. It has a magnetic catch. It's a little bit heavier, stronger plastic. Much better, much better. And I got this kind of, um, you know, clip for it. Because I don't want to lose these things. I mean, they're too expensive. And, I thought it would be a waste of money, but they're very easy. There's a button on the back, and you can pair them with all your devices. And this is a little bit smaller than those fake ones. And it has like a sensor here. So when you take it out of your ear, it'll stop playing something. But anyway, it's really useful. I mean, I highly recommend these to anyone. And then compared to the Pro, I don't know, I don't have the Pro, but I think they're almost the same. The Pro might be slightly, better battery time or something, and a little bit louder maybe, I'm not sure, but they have like the noise cancellation feature. But yeah, overall, I would definitely not waste my money on the kind of aftermarket. Definitely go Apple. When you need like a wireless headset or something, you're gonna use. So yeah, definitely I'll give these probably a 7 out of 10. Why 7? Because when they're in your ear, it feels like it's gonna fall out anytime, but they don't. You just have to kind of put them in a little bit more deep. But yeah, I would say 7. I think they could have made of a more ergonomic design. I mean, the design is very ergonomic. It's just like the wired one, except no wire, the actual top. But yeah, they could have improved that just a little bit, because it has no wire, and if it does fall, and I've seen people lose them, and I've seen them just on the floor. Sometimes I see them in the floor in the street or something. So definitely. That's why they came out the Pro, but they're more expensive. They should have initially made something more ergonomic. Although there's many accessories to kind of improve the fitting or accessibility, I would say, if you're paying $200 for some kind of headphones, it should be all in the box. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, that's my take on the AirPods from Apple. And if you like this video, just go ahead and give a thumbs up and subscribe.